In this video, we'll talk about Twitter analytics. So first of all, you need to know what you want to measure. So obviously, we start out any type of social media campaign by setting up some objectives. So what you want to measure are your success in actually meeting those objectives. So sometimes the absolute number of followers that you have on Twitter is not really what's most important, but whether your tweets are trending is important, and what the type of engagement you have to your posts is critical. So you could create a dashboard. You could use a tool like Hootsuite or manually build your own monthly dashboard, or you could use the data on your account at analytics.twitter.com. This data is also available for your personal Twitter account. So if you have Twitter, if you're a Twitter user, you could actually just go on to analytics.twitter.com now and see the data on your personal Twitter account. So here are some of the things you might want to measure. The number of people you are following, the number of followers you have, the number of mentions, the number of retweets, the number of lists, the number of clicks on links from shortened URLs, sentiment, and the number of likes. Here's what a Twitter dashboard looks like at analytics.twitter.com. This shows the tweet activity, impressions, engagement rate, and things like this. So if you look up here at the top, right now we're on the tweets screen. There's also a followers screen and Twitter cards, but right now let's look at the tweet activity. This is for BuzzFeed, and it shows that their tweets earned 255.4 million impressions over 28 days, which is a 7.6% increase in impressions over the previous 28-day period. So they can see their progress over time. They can also look at individual tweets here and see how many impressions, engagements, and what the engagement rate was for each tweet. This here shows the overall engagement rate of everything over a 28-day span, and then the number of link clicks from the links that appeared in their tweets. You can also look at a similar chart for the tweets and replies and any type of promoted tweets that they actually paid for. So you can actually drill down into a specific tweet to look at the analytics for that. So they can look at this tweet and see how many impressions, embedded media clicks, link clicks, etc., favorites, retweets, etc., that this particular tweet got. So you can look at the details even more deeply on a tweet-by-tweet basis. And then if you go to the followers link here, you can see some information on the different people that follow you. You can see the gender breakdown, the income, some of the psychographics in terms of their buying styles or their interests. And again, you can kind of drill down into consumer behavior, lifestyle, demographics, even their mobile footprint. It will tell you what wireless carriers and devices are most used to read your tweets. So part of your assignment is to audit your organization's Twitter account. So this is the auditing form that you would use to begin that process. You can also think about how you did your personal brand audit and use some of those tools as well. But you'll go through this and look at, do you have the right type of Twitter photo, cover photo, or profile photo? Do you have a bio on there? Is your website listed on Twitter? How many times are you tweeting? Are you tweeting regularly? How is the 70-20-10 breakdown? Are your contents, are your tweets helpful content for others, or are they more promotional in nature? Are you tweeting photos that appear in your Twitter stream? Are you talking with others? Are you engaging in those conversations? Do you use hashtags at all? Are you retweeting posts from the people that you follow? What is your ratio of followers to the people that you are following? Are you following new people all the time? Are you constantly looking for new people to engage with and follow? Do you have a link to your Twitter profile on your website so that people can find your Twitter feed when they visit your site? And do you have Twitter lists created? So those are some things that you can begin to look at as you audit your business's Twitter account.